Welcome to Science for Fifth B. Please open your books and notebooks. Today we're going to work on unit review and test preparation. Page 90. Vocabulary review. Use the term below to complete the paragraph. Let's read the paragraph to complete it. A plant that contains tubes for transport water and food is called a. What word in this vocabulary can we use to fill this line? Which word is for space number 1? Vascular. A plant that contains tubes for transport water and food, it's called vascular plant. Write vascular on space number 1. Let's continue. The tubes that transport food are. What word is for space number 2? Phloem. Continue. Those that transport water are. Xylem. Plants that do not have these tubes are. What word is for complete number 4? Non-vascular. Whether or not they have transport tubes, all plants have green pigment called. What is the green pigment that make plants green? Chlorophyll. Which enables them to make their own food. Plants have various means in which they reproduce. Plants will reproduce either with seeds or. What is the other thing that plants use to reproduce? Spores. Which will grow into a new plant when conditions are favorable. Conifers, or what's another word for conifers? Gymnosperms. Produce unprotected seeds in cones. The flowers of. What type of plants produce flowers? Angiosperms. The flowers of angiosperms produce protected seeds. In a flower, what contains the male reproductive cells? The pollen. The pollen contains the male reproductive cells. Remember to complete all the spaces when the words on the vocabulary. Part B. Vocabulary. Angiosperms. Gymnosperms. Non-vascular plants. Seeds. Spores. Vascular plants. Exercise 10. The two main groups of plants are. 10. Which not have xylem or phloem. What type of plants don't have xylem or phloem? Non-vascular. 11. which have silent and falling tubes. Vascular plants. The two groups of vascular plants are plants they use to reproduce, spores and seeds. The two groups of seed-producing plants are gymnosperms and angiosperms. Well, that's all for today. See you next time.